cream cheese pound cake. For this cake, we need lemon zest, baking soda, baking powder, cream cheese, butter. I use salted butter. You can use unsalted butter also, but if you use unsalted butter, you add 1 tablespoon salt, custard sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, and cake flour. First, you sieve flour. Baking powder and baking soda. Okay, set aside. Next, we beat the cream cheese. And butter. Beat this until smooth. Add sugar gradually. And beat with medium high speed about 5 minutes until light and fluffy. Add vanilla extract. And lemon zest. And you beat again until well combined. You add eggs one in a time. Every time you add egg, you have to beat until well combined. Add flour into the butter mixture. You mix with spatula until well combined. For this cake, I will use 22 centimeter silicone bun pen. You can use 24 or 25 centimeter bun pen or 10 inch. And you pour the butter here. Okay, you preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you bake this for 60 until 70 minutes, or depend on your oven. You have to check this. Okay, this is the result. It's really nice and beautiful. I will dust with the powdered sugar, but not so much. Then after that, I will try this. See this? Beautiful. I will try now. See inside? I will try this. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. It's really delicious. Mm. This is so good. You have to try this. Really delicious. You can taste the butter a lot and mix with the cream cheese. Tastes really good. I made this cake not too sweet because I don't like cake if too sweet. But if you want the cake sweet, you can add the sugar about 300 grams, depend on you. But this one really good. You have to try this, trust me. And this one also soft and fluffy. Perfect for your coffee and tea time. I love this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give like, and leave your comment and share my video. See you for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.